I have the garlic, and I have kale in this bed. Why don't we pick some and bring these two things in for Mike and see what he does with it? Hi, I'm Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and we do everything from ground to table, permaculture fashion. Stay tuned for this ground to table cooking video. In this bed, we have a bunch of kale.
There was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Look at this. This is burned out kale, but it's still growing. You can see all these fresh new shoots in here. Let's get some of the nicer pieces, and we'll put some of these burned out pieces in the compost.
And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
You know who would like this compost? Are the composting gurus themselves and their guardians.
Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
Let's go get some more.
We lose track of time, head up high.
I think we got a decent harvest, and let's go take this to Mike and see what he could do for dinner with a big bucket full of kale and some garlic from our own garden. If you like videos like this where we're taking our produce from our own gardens or foraged items from our own woods or chickens and eggs grown on property and seeing what the chef can come up with to make in the same night. If you like that kind of mystery basket, let me know.
So we've got some overwintered intermediate sized kale. We just rinsed it off, get the sand out. We've got a hot pan, get some olive oil. We roasted garlic together, so that was just roasted in olive oil or neutral oil in the oven for about an hour until it was soft, roasty, toasty, and we're gonna put some of that in there. Get a little bit of sausage crumble that was left over from a previous meal. We're just gonna add that in, it's optional. You got meat or no meat. And then we're gonna turn it on high heat, bring it to a boil, and then we'll turn it to low heat and let it simmer until it's tender, probably 30 minutes or so. We do have all the stems in here, so that will increase the simmering time, maybe 30 to 45 minutes. If you wanna grab the leaves and sort of rip them backwards, these are kind of on the edge for that. You can rip them backwards and you can take out the central stem, or you can chop the stems up to make it a little more tender and cook faster. I like the stems, I like the color and the flavor. So we'll leave them in and let them cook down and be very rustic with this. A little salt and pepper in there. Sometimes a splash of vinegar or hot sauce too, to balance it out. But I like hot sauce because many of the hot sauces have vinegar plus salt plus flavors in it, so it does everything in one shot. Okay. So this is cone feed or cooked in oil garlic. And you can either cone feed it lightly where it doesn't brown, or you can kind of roasty, toasty brown it. So it's sort of like garlic caviar, garlic gold. It's in olive oil or blended olive oil, so you can use some of that. The oil is as flavorful as the garlic itself, so don't worry about using a lot of good oil. It's good for you, it tastes good. That's about it. I've already eaten all my